Hi, my name is Priscilla, and this is Toddler Time with Priscilla. Hi everyone, welcome back to Toddler Time with Priscilla. It is summertime. That means playing outside and being in nature. For today's activity, I will show you and your little ones how to make a bird feeder so you can enjoy bird watching while playing outside. What you will need is cardboard tubes, peanut butter, bird seed, string. Have your toddler smear peanut butter all over the cardboard tube. When it is completely covered with peanut butter, have them roll the tube in bird feed. Make sure that it is completely covered. Grab a piece of string and tie it through the tube so that you can hang it outside. And there you have it, a fast and easy bird feeder. We hope you have a great time creating this with your little ones. Follow us on all our social medias and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our next fun Toddler Time activity. Until next time, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged. Bye!